determine the absolute height of a Marilyn up above Montgomery. And Alan's just setting up the equipment. It's quite breezy, so there's probably going to be a little bit of audio breakup. And listed as Caeliber Isaf in the Marilyn listing. And there's 2 points we need to survey. I think this has got a 355 contouring, which is the designated high point, but there's also a 355 metre spot height, I believe, about a kilometre or so away. So we'll head there afterwards. That's we only planned to do this about an hour ago. And I was just about to start gathering data, so we've been pretty quick doing this one today. Let's go and have a little look and see what he's up to.
Hello?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm just measuring the pole height, which was set to 89 centimetres. So we've got 9 satellites.
That's good.
Picking up, which is pretty good. So I'm ready to start it rolling. We just need to get out of the way once I press this button.
Good stuff.
Okay, so press occupy.
Yeah.
And we're on.
Brilliant.
That's exactly an hour after first thinking about doing this survey today in your house.
That's not bad, is it really?
Pretty good. 1 hour from idea to actually having the equipment rolling on top of the hill. It could be a new personal best for me. I'm pretty sure it is. It is for you as well.
Okay, cheers Alan, thank you.
Escape, that's all I want to do now. I like all the chains that bind me to...
Well, hello Mervyn. Here we are again. This is an unexpected bonus treat for us both. I was just packing up ready to go back to Scotland this morning, and somehow the idea of doing another survey appeared and the sun was shining. So here we are on Caeliber Isaf, which is a 355 metre hill a few k's south of Montgomery. And it's been a pretty nice day actually. It's quite breezy. So the Marilyn summit is some distance behind us. We just spent 45 minutes there surveying the summit area. It's pretty flat and grassy, but that's got a small 355 metre contour, whereas where we are now it's got a 355 metre spot height, and it's far enough away from the trees that we've got good satellite signals. So within about 45 minutes I should hope we'll have a good indication of which of these two summits is the higher. It's so flat on the top of both of them that I'd be very surprised if it's more than 355. I think it's possibly even going to be less. So we both think that the other one's higher, which will be no change to the list, but Mervyn, being the iconoclast that he is, wants the summit to change. He just likes change for change's sake, but I'm quite happy if there's no change, but it's good to. But so yeah, it's been a real bonus today, so thanks for suggesting this, Mervyn.
Well, cheers Alan. Any further comments before I close off?
Well, we've got 45 minutes here. We might just get away with out with the deluge that's forecast for today, and if it does start peeing it down, we can just nip into the trees and shelter there. So yeah, good day.
Cheers Alan, thank you. And as Alan was saying, there's the GPS setup position, and you have the current listed summit of the Marilyn, almost directly up above the antennae of the GPS. So it's been a good couple of days with Alan.
That's all I want to do now. I like all the chains that bind me. Turn my back on my previous life. Be my previous life behind. Improve myself.
This is the survey result for Caeliber Isaf, a hill surveyed by Alan Dawson with his Leica 1250. The current summit height is given to a very small uppermost 355 metre ring contour. However, about a kilometre away there is also a 355 metre spot height on the map, so we had to survey the two height points. Now where the current summit position is, the absolute height came to 353.46 metres, and where the spot height appears on OS mapping, the absolute height came to 353.22 metres. Now we also surveyed the bulk, and on OS mapping the bulk contours are between 180 and 185 metres. The absolute height that Alan attained for the bulk is 184.0 metres. So therefore Caeliber Isaf has an accurate, definitive absolute height of 353.46 metres, and its drop is 169.5 metres. And just to confirm its summit position, that is at SO211934.